One day, Amna and her brother Ahmed went to safari adventure in the jungle, which full of apple trees. While they were walking in the jungle, they saw a man is chopping down a tree with an axe. Ahmed raised his hand shouting, "Stop!" Amna and Ahmed keep walking into the jungle, surrounded by many animals. A monkey, an elephant, and colorful birds flying. Both of them are amazed and smiling, holding their cameras. There was also an elegant antelope with long horns stands beside them. Ahmed takes a photo while Amna looks amazed and points at it. Ahmed and Amna sitting on a large rock in the jungle, happily eating tasty almonds. Behind them are apple trees. They look relaxed and cheerful, enjoying their snack in nature. Ahmed and Amna saw a tiny ant walking slowly on a big green leaf. They looked closely with smiles, impressed by how small the ant is. While they walking into the jungle, they also saw a man aiming his arrow at a small colorful bird in the jungle. Ahmed runs toward him shouting, "Stop!" and stands nearby worried. When Ahmed and Amna arrived beside a jungle river, they saw a huge alligator opens its wide mouth to drink water. They were very scared, so they raising their ankles and shouting, "Aya!" The water splashes, and the scene feels dangerous.
Recall! Axe!
Arrow. Antelope. Alligator. And almond. Apple.